ITO versus a Kidderpore Holding Limited, Section 4, charge of income tax. In the absence of transfer of unit in the project, and neither the sale can be recorded in the books of the assessee, nor any income can be said to be arisen in the hands of the assessee. Consequently, no income can be brought forward to tax in the hands of assessee. Estimated profit 8% on contractor was deleted. So, Section 2, Class 47 also been taken. Tribunal held that the absence of transfer of unit in the project and neither a sale can be recorded in the books of assessee nor the income can be said to be arise in the hands of assessee. Consequently, no income can be brought to tax in the hands of assessee. The AO presumed that the assessee acted on the contractor and estimated profit is 8% of the cost. Okay. The Honorable Tribunal observed that there was nothing on the record stage assessee acted on the work contractor on behalf of SNCML. So there is was an money which has been paid to SNCML and SNCML had paid some money to this SSE, that is Kidderpore Holding Limited. And there is some payment from Kidderpore to SNCML. So what they considering is the payment that made to paid from them SNCML, there was no binding work contract. Okay, there is one thing is there. The contribution agreement referred to A was nothing but assisting the supervision of the construction to the assessee by SNCML. So the construction is happening. The Kidderpore Holding Limited is supervising the work. They are getting some paid. That's it. But they are not a work contract. Similarly, assessee received a contribution from the prospective unit buyers, and the same was taken into consideration and offered to tax by SNCML. A result, the revenue action of 8% cost of construction presumed to the hands of assessee was incorrect. Same times, any client want to buy some units, this Kinderpur Holding has offered their service and they been acting as an agent between the unit buyers and SNCML, and they got the money from the unit buyers and remitted to SNCML. So this kind of consideration you can't charge flat 8%. Only the commission amount whichever they got they can be charged after uh, removing all the expenses as per 40 for normal ITR return is more than sufficient. Very good suggestions. So, actually, there should be contract. Whenever you do a service, have a contract. Draft that this is a service I do, and this payment has been done. Get acknowledgement from the pay. This is the payment. This is the reason I gave you payment on this date. This check we have paid. Please confirm it. Get a signature. That's more than sufficient. Or put an affidavit bond and get it signed. 200 rupees bond. Not even your revenue stamp. You get paid something. Get a signature on that. It's most valid. Basic things if you focus on it, that will be more helpful.